Hey, welcome to my channel. Grab that cup of coffee and check out this next little short video here of what we're doing in Yuma, Arizona on day 3. Not much happening today. Ooh, good late morning. It's about 8 o'clock. It's we're late because we were up drinking. And we got some dogs everywhere today. So anyway, I don't know how much I'm going to be filming right now. Just enough to let you know we're up. It's a beautiful day. But we got way too wasted, everybody. Charlie fell down, got hurt. Vicky was up all day. She was sick. I mean, up all night, with the diarrhea. I was tore up. None of us ate yesterday. We just, come on, Hank, get in here. Get in here. We just drank, and that was wrong. We know that. We're adults. We should have known better. Let me let my dog go. Here, hang on. Anyway, this is where we are. So Charlie, we're going to get up early and go out for breakfast. Doesn't look like we're going to do that. Oh, so this is a noisy campground. Last one here. Last time we'll stay here. They put us right down here on the end, and this people drag racing, it felt like, all night long on this road right here. You can look at the traffic. So if you're going to stay at Adobe, make sure you stay back at the back. We stayed back about 4 spots back there and didn't hear that much bad noise. But didn't hear it. Didn't hear it. I got to go pay him yet. I guess I could not pay him and just move to a different campsite. I think we're going to check out a different campsite while we're here. There's a quiet one, but it's a lot more money, but it might be worth it. We got friends over there, so. Well, I'm going to check in with my dog. Check in with you all later. I got to go. A lot of problems we got to fix. I'll show you later. Hey guys, we're back home. I'm just doing an editing on the video, and I noticed I don't have the video where I tried to repair this. You see this little thing right here? That seemed to help. You can see it comes up and goes around and it locks into there, bolts down to here. And that seemed to help on the way home from all that swaying. And we also checked the tires pressure on the Jeep, and they were low. So we pumped them up, and we put this little, it's some kind of a, just so you can see it, it bolts on here. I'll put a link on here for it, and it snugs down tight on the stinger into your hitch and takes all the wiggle waggle out of it. So that seemed to fix it on the way home. I made a video of me installing it, but I got a lot of videos, and that one seems to be the one that's lost so far. And that took care of my sway problem. That and 100 pounds of air pressure in the tire, in the bags, which is, don't read it now, but trust me, it's in there. If I can remember how to do this, go down, and you go down, and you go in. Anyway, like that. And then we put air in the Jeep tires and got rid of all the swaying, a lot of it. Good afternoon, everybody. Let me show you. I don't know if I can see it. Yeah, we'll walk over. We're at the dog park right now. That Hank walk. You know, well, other things apparently. See if we can see. Boy, I had a beautiful sunset last night. Haven't filmed much because we've all been sick. You know, we drank too much. Well, that didn't help. There we go. Might be able to see that right there. Let's turn a little bit of the sunlight. But anyway, we drank too much first night, so it was understandable. We were all sick that night. I was sick last night for some reason, and Vicky's been sick all day. Maybe it's we just got to get used to it down here. It's so nice. And look, it's been 84 degrees sitting over there. Yesterday it was 100 degrees. We're sitting in the shade enjoying it. It's a big difference between the Yuma heat and other heat. They say dry heat, and it mean it ain't bad. So that's what we've been doing. I haven't been putting any videos on here because we haven't done anything yet. We did go do some shopping. We're doing some repair work here and there on the RVs, and gotta keep my eye on the boy. That's all we've been doing so far. But we're gonna go down to Mexico. Oh, there's Mrs. Bloodwood. Hey, down there. She's coming this way. Let's see if we can zoom in on her. There she is. Well, let's get way there. She is. That's where we're parked. That's old double shot. But so anyway, I'll get more videos out to you guys. I heard from John. He's a great guy. He's on vacation too, and we're just relaxing right now. We're gonna be here for a month. We'll have plenty of videos coming your way. Thanks again, Diane, for joining. And for you that didn't know, Diane is on here now, and heard she lost her husband, and they're friends of mine. And I'm glad that she joined the site here. So I'm going to try to put stuff on to entertain her and all the rest of you guys as soon as we can. We didn't even go fruit hunting today. They're selling strawberries somewhere around here. We're going to go get a bunch of... The fruit down here is amazing. You can imagine. It's amazing because it's all grown right here. So we're going to go do that. We're going to head over to Mexico, I think, in a couple days. I think next week we're having the RVs washed and waxed. You can get that done down here pretty cheap. Doing some other projects on the RV too. So we'll be showing you a bunch of the just stuff you can do. And then we're going to go do some traveling around here also and show you some stuff. We drove around a little bit last night. Nothing for you guys to find interesting. Just places we used to stay here. And so anyway, I'm going to fire this on here just to let you know I'm really thinking of you guys. I don't want to bore you with other stuff. This is boring enough right here. But we're going to get some more stuff, like I said, put on here. Keep on. He can't see nothing, guys. He can't see nothing, and he can't hear us anymore. So I gotta hold him, and like at night when he come out here, I take a flashlight and flicker the light in front of him so he can follow that. But he's my best friend. I'm going to take care of him. I'll see y'all later in the next video. I'm going to stick this on there right now, and we'll talk at you as soon as I got something good to show you.
I hope you enjoyed this video. We have lots of content on this YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our channel and ring that little bell so you won't miss the updates.